What is up, guys? I am Zay Nicole, back again with another video. Today I am doing a hair review, and it is going to be Klaiyi hair. I think that is how you pronounce it. It's going to be on their water wave bundle. They sent me a 16-inch bundle that I won in a giveaway. It came in this, and then it was also shipped in this. So it came with 2 black wig caps, and there was a braided headband. I have no idea what I did with it. I don't wear it, so that's why I have no idea what I did with it. But this is what the bundle looks like. This is the texture of the hair, and this is how big the weft of the bundle is. That is pretty big to me. So yeah, that's a pretty good weft size for me. And once again, this is a 16-inch bundle. I don't know if I said that or not. This is what it looks like stretched out. And my only con about this hair is that the ends look like that. And nothing else that I can say really bad about this hair other than the ends of the hair. And then the smell of the hair, it stinks to me. I mean, I don't know how everybody else's opinion is on the smell of hair, but it stinks. So I'm gonna wash this. I'm gonna co-wash it before I put it in my hair. I'm probably going to, for now, since I only have one bundle, I'm probably gonna do like a genie ponytail, and I'm gonna have it like up. And I might, yeah, I think that'd be really cute if I put it in like a genie ponytail. But I need to buy more. I need to buy more hair, because this is a really pretty water wave hair. This is one of the most prettiest water wave bundles I've seen. Because, I mean, it's difficult to find good water wave hair. And, yeah, like I said, I'm going to wash it. And I'm going to see how it takes to conditioner and everything. And it has a lot of volume. It's really good volume. It doesn't really shed while I'm running my fingers through it. It doesn't really tangle as much either. I mean, yeah, I don't see any hair right now. But, I mean, it's going to shed when I touch it, or, like, every hair sheds. When you find some hair that doesn't shed, let me know, because I want some. It's my #1 water wave hair. So, go get you some Klaiyi hair. Go follow them on Instagram. I think it's klaiyihair NO or _NO1. I think that's the name. I'm gonna put it down in the description box below. And also go and visit their website and sign up so you can get discounts and everything on their hair. And I think the website is klaiyihair.com. And yeah, just make sure you go and get some, because look at this. Like, it's really pretty. You can't beat this. Shipping was pretty fast. I would say not even 2 days that this came. And make sure that, because I think it's really hard to find the water wave hair on their website. So I think it's under like non-shedding tangle free hair or something like that. Because like you gotta like actually search it up. Like, it's not gonna be on there, but I'm not sure. Like, they might have changed it around, changed their website or whatever. But make sure you guys go and get you some. Like, look how thick this is. Look at how pretty it is. Like, I haven't even put anything in this hair. Like, this is out of the package. Like, it is so pretty. Like, it's super thick too. Like, go get you some right now. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.